Hello my dear, good morning all of you once again. You're most welcome our official YouTube channel Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. Today we are going to discuss over the second part of the standard 7, chapter number 1, civics, and topic our chapter's name is democracy. आज हम लोग चर्चा करने जा रहे हैं हमारे बुक standard 7 chapter 1 and chapter name is democracy. Whatever I have written here, that is the chapter name for standard 7 civics chapter 1 part 2nd. Last classes में we have already discussed over the different forms of government and the different forms of government. In that, I think at the last class we have already learned something about the monarchy system. And the monarchy we have already discussed over the absolute monarchy, constitutional monarchy, dictatorship. These two terms we are already discussed in the last class. Today we will discuss and cover two topics. First one is the broad meaning of democracy, and other one is people's power. My dear, एकदम enjoy कीजिएगा वीडियो को. Easily समझना है, try to understand, and if you are getting any kinds of problem, my dear student, you must ask a question under the comment box. Certainly I will give you answer in the comment box, or you may ask the question via WhatsApp also. So without wasting our time, today I am going to discuss over the topic, and that is the meaning of democracy. Sir, at first we should try to understand the democracy word, from where it came. The democracy word, from where it came, then it is a Greek word. I mean to say here, what is, my dear student? It is a Greek word. Democracy is a Greek word. Sorry. Democracy is a Greek word, and the word is that democracia. The word is that democracia. Democracy means what? Democracy came from a Greek word, and that meaning of in the Greek, it can be said democracia. What is that? Democracia. And my dear, now we will pay attention towards the broad meaning of democracia. We will pay attention over here the broad meaning of democracia. Then there are two parts of this Greek word, in which first one is given here, demos. What? Sir, क्या बता? Another one is that kratos. First one is demos. Democracia is a Greek word, and in India we can call it democracy, and democracia, the word has been divided and it forms with the help of two words, that is demos and kratos. Sir, what is the meaning of demos? What is the meaning of kratos? Then the meaning of demos means what? People. Demos means what? People, common people. Certainly we can call the English meaning as per the British English dictionary or the American English dictionary. We can call demos means common people. Demos means common people. Common people. We all are common people. As you're at your home, your parents are living, at your society the beings are living. We all are common people. Another word is what? Other word is kratos. Then demos means people and kratos means power. Kratos means power as well as rule. Kratos means power as well as rule. The demos means people, kratos means power or rule. In that case we can call over here democracy means what? Democracia means what? The rule power by the people. Now, if anybody asks from you what is the meaning of democracy, then democracy came from democracia. Democracia is a Greek word, and it has been divided into two parts. First one is demos, Other one is Kratos. Demos means the people and Kratos means power or the rule. Kratos means power or the rule. Now, my dear students, we can see over here the full meaning and broad meaning of the democracy is what? Broad meaning of democracy is ruled or power by the people. Ruled by the people, power of the people. Ruled by the people, power of the people. In that cases, we can call over here, what is the democracy means ruled by the people, power of the people. Ruled by the people, power of the people. My dear, now at your book, textbook, it is given here about the people's power. People's power. Obviously, we have already right now discussed over the matter, over the topic here, democracy, and demos means people, Kratos means power. Then the next topic is given in our textbook. People's power. People's power. लोगों का power. शक्ति. What? लोगों की शक्ति. उसमें जो निहित होती है. People's power means people's power means लोगों की शक्ति. And in that, at your textbook, here is given a story. The story is given. एक short story आपकी पुस्तक में already it is given. And that story is given about सुशीला. सुशीला के बारे में एक स्टोरी दी गई है और सुशीला के बारे में बताया जा रहा है कि सुशीला wherever Sushila is surviving her respective life, there is I mean to say here that discrimination is going on. There is no values of woman. The people are thinking that woman can live inside the home. There is no need to go outside the house. She cannot do any kinds of job. Then she has no right to vote. She has no right to take part into the respective elections. Then in that case, we have studied something about this topic, and the story is given about Sushila's life. The story is given about Sushila's life. सुशीला के जीवन के बारे में स्टोरी यहाँ मेंशन किया गया बेटा, and we have to try to understand about the Sushila's life story. Now, the next is given here, the people's power in that what should be. The people's power in that what should be. Then at first, the elections should be, public opinion should be, rule of law should be. Rule of law should be. Sir, what are you speaking? I could not understand. बड़ा आसानी से समझिए, एकदम एंजॉय कीजिए, वीडियो को देखिए और काफी एंजॉयबल मूड से पढ़िए इसको. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, यू कांट गेट एनी काइंड्स ऑफ टेंशंस. हमारे डायरेक्टर सर भी कहते हैं टेंशन हैज गॉन टू टेक पेंशन. माय डियर, टेंशन हैज गॉन टू टेक पेंशन. What happened? There is no need to take any tension. There is, thought of our director sir is, there is no need to take any tension. Tension has gone to take pension. We have need to pay attention. So over here, people's power, elections, public opinion, rule of laws. These are part and parcel of people's power. These are part and parcel for people's power. Sir, elections, how people can rule over the regions, how people can rule over the area, how people can survive their life freely in other regions, in other nations. Then that is the given here. At first, there should be election. Elections should be organized after a few period. Elections should be organized after a few period. In our country also after the tenure of any political party except Rajya Sabha, Vidhan Parishad also. Then in the for the MLAs or MPs, the president, from the prime minister as well as for the chief minister, for this all the political powers, the election is holding after per 5 years. After per 5 years. And that election, what is happening? People can change their leader after 5 years. And obviously it can be changed before 5 years also. People can go on the strikes, and in the agenda or propaganda they can ask for the upper top leaders that it should be removed from here. The people can be removed, the leader can be removed. Then if during the 5 years it is not happening, then it has power. The human beings have power, the common people has power. What? That through the election the elected representative can be changed. The elected representative can be changed. Sir, if election is not happening, then what will happen? तो अपने आप को राजा समझ बैठेगा, बस डेमोक्रेसी वही समाप्त हो जाएगी. वो समझ बैठेगा whatever I am the myself is the law. Just like Adolf Hitler अपने आप को कह रहा था कि myself is the state, myself I am the state and myself is the law. मैं ही राज्य हूं और अपने आप में मैं कानून भी हूं. मतलब उसके मुंह से जो निकल गया, that is the rules, that is laws. If election is not happening, then in that cases what will happen? In that cases what will happen? In that cases certainly, my dear student, democracy cannot be happened. Democracy cannot be happened. And for the democracy, election is very essential. Election is essential. Through election we can choose, we can elect our representative for the respective area, for our area. Sir, public opinion. Suppose कीजिए myself become MP of your region, myself become MLA of your region. In that cases, if I am living at the either the council, legislative council, or at the parliament, then from there, how it is possible that all the condition, all the problems of every houses I can understand. For which public opinion, it is very important part and parcel of our people's power. Then public opinion, my opinion, मतलब हमारा views, our ideas, ये होनी चाहिए कि हम अपनी ideas को बताएं कि at our society there is lack of road, at our society there is lack of education, at our society there is lack of something ... for the development. That's why, my dear student, public opinion is most important part and parcel. Next one is rule of laws. In the democracies, almost all the people living, the rich, poor, the prime minister, president, or the common people who are moving on the road, who are pulling the rickshaw on the road, they have equal power. They all are equal before the laws. मतलब कानून के सामने या उनके नीचे हर एक वो लोग जो भारत के निवासी हैं, या हर एक वो लोग किसी गणतंत्र देश का अगर वो रहने वाला है, सिटीजन है, तो इट मीन्स दैट दे ऑल आर इक्वल बिफोर द लॉज. लॉज की चलेगी, नथिंग ऑन इफ प्रेसिडेंट कैन टेक एनी रॉन्ग एक्शन, देयर इज जुडिशरी बॉडी इन आवर कंट्री. Except legislative body, there is a judiciary body also, and through which we can take action. Judiciary body can take action against the president, against the prime minister, against the chief minister. Means for all the people, for all the citizens who are living in the other nations, there is rule of laws. कानून का राज्य होगा, कानून का शासन होगा, and in that everyone can be punished if they are taking any wrong action. Then here we have understood कि people's power में, डेमोक्रेसी में समझा हम लोगों ने, डेमोस मीन्स पावर, सॉरी पीपल, क्रेटस मीन्स पावर. अदर टॉपिक इज पीपल्स पावर. पीपल्स पावर में सुशीला की स्टोरी दी गई है कि किस तरह से सुशीला के साथ आज भी दहेज प्रथाएं हैं, या फिर महिलाओं को ये किया जाता है, डिस्क्रिमिनेट की जाती है. तो दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. इन दैट पीपल्स पावर में इलेक्शन इज टू बी हेल्ड, public opinions should be, and rule of laws, and it makes democracy. But my dear student, here is a word which is mentioned at your book. कि सर कि क्या if in a region election is to be held regularly, people's opinion is to be taken regularly, and rule of laws has been implemented entire the region, then क्या वो region एक democracy हो जाएगी क्या? Obviously it cannot. Obviously it cannot. 120% it cannot. It is not possible. Then sir, what should be? Sir, here all the people entire the region should have equal right to vote, equal right to survive their respective lives, and some fundamental rights should be, some constitutional rights should be, some constitutional duties should be, some constitutional rights should be. Then in that cases, all the people from bottom to top, they have equal, they all are equal before the justice, before the judiciary, and before the laws. So here we will discuss over about New Zealand. About New Zealand. Here we will discuss over about New Zealand. New Zealand was the nation where I think the first nation in the world, दुनिया का पहला ऐसा देश था जो 1893 में पहली दफा डेमोक्रेटिक घोषित हो गया, मतलब एक डेमोक्रेसी नेशन बन चुका था. सर इन सारे को पढ़ने के बाद क्या ओवरऑल कंक्लूजन निकलता है? हमारे पास एक नाम है अब्राहम लिंकन. I have written over here. Abraham Lincoln is the name who was given the definition, the proper definition of अच्छे से परेशान है इसे लॉकडाउन में. Abraham Lincoln was given the definition for the democracy. Sir क्या कैसा definition दिया गया? Different people has given different suggestion for the definition of the democracy. But whatever the definition of definition given by Abraham Lincoln, it becomes very famous and today's students are studying it. Sir, what is that? The definition was democracy. If right now anybody asks from you what is democracy? Democracy is a form of government. Democracy is a form of government. Try to understand, my dear students. Democracy is a form of government. ये सरकार का ऐसा स्वरूप है. लोकतंत्र सरकार का ऐसा स्वरूप है. डेमोक्रेसी इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इन विच, जिसमें शासन किया जाता है. इट इज रूल्ड बाय द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल एंड ऑफ द पीपल. बाय द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल एंड ऑफ द पीपल, मतलब जनता का, जनता के लिए, जनता के द्वारा की गई शासन प्रणाली को ही हम लोग लोकतंत्र यानी डेमोक्रेसी कहते हैं. सर इंडिया इज अ डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक. India is a democratic republic. Democratic republic, I mean to say, in our country there is legislative body, in our country there is parliamentary system, as well as there is president also. The country where there is president, that is republic country, and there is the country where is parliament, that is carrying parliamentary system. Then my dear students, our country there is parliament as well as there is president. Then obviously we can say over here the democracy, our country is democratic republic. मैं यहाँ लिख ही देता हूँ. India is a democratic republic. Are you getting? Now I think no one has any problem. Democracy means what? Democracy is a form of government in which it is ruled by the people, of the people and for the people. मतलब we are ruling, for us we are all ruling. For us we are ruling and for our society we are ruling. That's why it is the form of democracy. And the definition was given by Abraham Lincoln. Today this topic is over. We will meet hope in the next video. तब तक live at your home and safe.